Second day of our Tainan trip. We are now at the 10-drum Cultural Creative Park here in Tainan. So here you can see a map of the whole complex. A lot of buildings. At the center is this Dream Sugar Factory. And a lot of smaller spaces. There's a train, a raft experience. There's no English, all in Chinese. You can see there are a lot of tourists coming here on a Wednesday. A lot of tour buses outside. Here you can see some drums. The village is run by the 10-drum group. Hello. So this is the smokestack of the sugar factory. You can go inside and look up. Wow. Oh, hello.
Our guide was saying the interesting part was when the Allies were conquering Tainan City.
I like these cute sculptures. Here we have the sugar bar. Here you can go upstairs. This is called Magic Factory. It's a bit like a big library with fake books. Reminds you a bit of Harry Potter. This place is cool if you like old factories. Rusty, lot of dust. Rusty and dusty. Here we have a row of vacuum pans. Don't ask me what vacuum pans are for. And here apparently you can write down your wishes. All right, let's go even higher up. Cool. You can go all the way up to the roof. Down here you can do zip lining. No one is doing it now, but you can, from that level you can go all the way down to, I don't know where. Now zip lining is over there. You can go all the way up to the last round thing. And here, this is like straight down. All right, this is an awesome skywalk. You can see all the way to downtown Tainan. Over there is the Chimay Museum. Major expressway there. Cool. Oh, I would love to do this. Don't know where this goes. Straight down, I guess. Of course, you don't want to miss a performance by the 10-drum percussion group. cool. Here we have like a walk around a huge tree. So beautiful. It goes round and round and round. Here we have a slide for children. And finally here we have a cafe. Tendram Cultural Village is a great place to visit. Admission is about 500 NT dollars, but it's well worth it because you can see the old sugar factory, a lot of industrial stuff. You can see the performance by the Tendram percussion group, and you can also go on these thrilling zipline and rappelling experiences. And what I especially like is the walk on the roof. Cool. But you want to come here when there are less tourists, like on a weekday, because it can get crowded here.